TaxJar is an amazing tool that you can use for your business. It can really help you, but there comes also some disadvantages that you should know before you're gonna start use it. But let me start with the advantages, and while I'll be talking, I'll be showing you everything. So there is one big advantage that I like about, I say it every single time when I review a service, product, whatever. When you would scroll down below to the description and you click on the link, you will get directly here for TaxJar, and you can simply start a free trial without adding a cart. This is a huge thing. I already logged in my account, as you can see, but this is one thing that I really like, is that that you don't have to add a cart to actually try the product. So definitely do it and see it by yourself how simple it is to use it. So this is the first thing that I like. Now, what are some disadvantages now? What you should be careful about? Let me show you when I'm going to log in. That's this. The first disadvantage is that it's a little bit expensive if you're gonna have a lot of orders. If I would go to account, plan and billing, let me show you. And let's say that I have billing frequency from my professional account. Professional 1K, 2.5K. As you can see, it's really increasing. It depends, like, okay, if your TaxJar is going to make you not a lot of money, but if you're gonna have from your orders a lot of money and you don't care about paying 3.7K, it's perfect. But if I'm going to have not a lot of orders, professional 200, it's really amazing. $100 for this tool is not that much. I really think so, because it's going to give you a lot of value. Even if you have Shopify store, accounting, whatever. So yep, that's something like Shopify store, WooCommerce store, etc. Even the linking accounts in TaxJar is really simple. So that's something you should definitely think about too. Now, this is the one disadvantage this is the biggest disadvantage I personally see, is that if you're gonna have a lot of like, it can get overwhelming. So if I'm going to have a lot of orders, I'm going to pay a lot of money. Not a lot of money, it depends how much money you're actually making, but you get me. Now, the second thing, that if you're gonna actually connect with multiple, let's say when I click here on the linked accounts, if you're gonna connect with multiple marketplaces, like let's say Amazon, eBay, Square, BigCommerce, it can get also overwhelming, and sometimes it can be slow for TaxJar. So that's another thing to think about if you want to use TaxJar. But other than that, it's top notch. Also, the UX, the user experience of the whole process when you're gonna you do the tax filing, etc. Some people say that they had to with 8-10 open tabs to fill it out, but that's like up to you if you like it or no. Sometimes it can be a little bit complex. Now, what are some advantages and what you can actually achieve with TaxJar? That's the next thing that I'm going to talk to you about. So real-time calculations. Let me just open everything and let me show it for yours. Get accurate sales tax calculations in real time. So this is really good. So apply sales tax instantly at scale. You see right here, shipping tax total. And this is really good if I'm going to have the custom-made e-commerce store on which I would just present my products and I would sell them. It's going to automatically do it for me. Then that TaxJar automates the sales tax lifecycle, connect to your e-commerce or ERP platform, collect accurate sales tax at checkout, determine economic nexus, access sales tax reports, file and remit automatically. So the whole process is covered by TaxJar, and that's why it's like a really good tool that you can use. Then also access sales tax reports. Take time reporting on every channel in every state. Access all your sales tax records in one place. So that's like really good. And then you're gonna see track economic nexus across states. This is the one thing that I really like, how simple it looks. Simplify the complexities of economic nexus. And when I'm going to log in, I can show you straight away how it works. So let's say you can go to account, state settings. And here I can simply add state with a nexus. So that's how simple it is. And look at this, and this is the economic nexus inside, how it looks like. With Arizona, the economic nexus requirements for sales were met, 107K out of 100. State is approaching, states approaching economic nexus. Yeah, I need to drink water. Colorado, District of Columbia, sales, you see right here, transactions. And you can see it for every state that you would add. Now, that's pretty much it how it works. And automate sales tax filing and remittance. Never miss filing due date, reduce processing time and costs. And this is pretty much it, right? So this is a TaxJar, what you can get from it, how it works, and it's actually worth it for your time. Now, if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. What are your thoughts on TaxJar? I'm really happy to hear that. So we know how it goes, you know how it is. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.